Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see about functions in JavaScript. We'll go to the Sublime editor. The title tag will go for JavaScript functions. We'll go to the body tag. We'll go for H1 here. H1 you can give the content here. I'm giving Jisan Academy. Close this H1. We'll go for H2 tag. You can give some content here. I'm giving you a JavaScript. Basic functions. Close this H2. We'll close this H2 tag. Then we'll go for one paragraph here. P ID equal to double quotes, any name you can give it here. I'm giving here as demo. Close this and you have to close the P tag. Now we will go for button. Button type equal to double quotes. Here you have to give button. Then we will go for on click. On click we'll go for equal to double quotes. You have to give the name of the function. Any name you can give it here. I am giving my function. Then open bracket, close bracket. Then you have to close it and then you can give some content here. Just I am giving your click here. Then you have to close the button tag. Now if you run this one, go to file, save the file, go to the browser. In hello.html, we refresh this one. You can see that we got the Jisan Academy here and we got the H2 tag JavaScript basic functions. If I click here, we got the button here and you got the message click here. If you click this one, you won't get anything because we did not return the coding, we did not return the functions for that one. Now we will go for the function. We'll write the coding function in JavaScript. Go to Sublime editor. Yeah, we'll go for one script. SC and enter. Script type equal to text by JavaScript. Here in between this script we will write the coding. This one, this function we will call it here. Function this space you have to give the name of that function. I have given my function. Now open and close bracket. After that you have to go for the curly braces. In between these curly braces, now we will give the coding for that one. Go for document dot get element by B should be capital ID. This one we are taking this one, this ID. Here the name we are given demo. In the bracket we will go for double quotes. In between that one we will give the name demo dot inner HTML. HTML should be capital equal to, we will give the content now. Just give it in double quotes. Here I am giving here as hello world. You can give whatever you want. Now let it be in a world, let it be as it is on a world, then go for semicolon. Now suppose if we click this button, it will call this function, my function here, and here you will get the message in paragraph. You will get it in the paragraph, hello world. Let us see the output, how it works. Go to file, save the file, come to the browser, refresh the browser. Now we got the same thing. We click here, in the paragraph you have to get the hello world. Just click it here. No, something went wrong. Let us see once again. Go to the editor. Here in the function, this F should be in a small letter. Yeah, function, here it's okay. Now we will save this file. Go to the browser. Now we will refresh this one. We'll click the button. You will get the hello world here. This is the way you can go for the function in JavaScript. Let us see the second example. Here we will remove the button. Okay, let it be as it is. Here we will go for JavaScript basic functions, passing parameters. Here we will go for function, my function. Here we will go for p1, some parameter name you can give it here, and here I am giving parameter 2. Okay, here we will change it to here we will copy this one, copy, or okay, we will copy that one here and we will paste it after this function. Is equal to, we'll go for calling that function my function. Here we will pass some parameters. Here I am giving some value 4 and then 6 I am giving here. Okay, now in the function we will go for adding these two numbers. Here you can go for return P1 plus P2 semicolon. Now actually we are writing your program, this one here in demo, that is in P, we are calling this function my function. We are passing this value 4 and 6. This 4 it will come to P1 and 6 it will come to P2. Inside this one we are adding this one 4 plus 6, it will be 10 and it will return the value here as 10. Okay, now you will save the file. Go to the browser, refresh the browser. Here see, now we got the answer here 10. Like this you can go for multiplying that number. Go to the editor. Here instead of plus you can go for into. Go to file, save the file. Go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see that we got the answer 24. Like this you can go for the functions in JavaScript. Hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.